Alright guys, I finally got the new windshield on. That thing was super messed up. It was all cracked all over the place. But today I'm going to be putting my windshield banner on my car club. And I'm also going to show you guys how to do it actually. Because a lot of people actually don't know, or a lot of people actually mess it up all the time actually. But it's pretty simple. It's going to be a big windshield banner just across my windshield. It's going to be about like 48 inches, but you know, just your typical car club banner, I guess. All right, my boy Coffee just pulled up inside. Coffee and Cruz. They're gonna help me with this install real quick. These are the guys that usually sample all the cars in the STS. So that's gonna be the windshield banner right there. All right, we got Coffee with the rag and the detail spray.
It's a glass cleaner.
Really, all you need is just a rag to wipe down, glass cleaner, whatever.
Glass cleaner.
Yeah, there you go. And then a squeegee. It's better if you have a squeegee, right? Because this won't scratch the banner. But if not, just use a damn credit card and you'll be good. All right, we're gonna have to move. It's at like 8 o'clock right now. Sun's going down. It should only take about like 5 minutes at most. All right, so first step, you spray down the windshield, some glass cleaner. Just give it a good wipe down. All right, get all the dirt off. All right, and then second step, you're gonna re-wet it again because you want it to be wet. That way when you put the banner on, you're able to readjust it until it's perfect. That way it's straight, it's not crooked, right? So if it's wet, you can move it around, right? You don't want to put the banner on dry. Huh? All right, so what they're doing, just peel off the windshield banner, right? Peel off slowly. He's already wetting it. You want to wet it on the back and on the glass as well, so right? So you want it to be really wet. And so that way you can move it around and adjust it. All right, Coffee got it really wet. All right, cool. Oh my God. Let's go. Yeah, this windshield's a little small. All right, go right. Okay, so we cleaned the windshield, right? Dried it, re-wet it again. Then we wet the back of the banner, and now we're just at the point where we're just adjusting it to where it's straight or however you like it, right? Most cars will have an antenna in the middle, so that's where you want to line up the banner and it'll tell you if it's straight or not. All right, so once you see that it's perfectly straight to your liking, right, you want to lift one side up, just one side first, and then you squeegee out the water, and then you go to the other side and just squeegee out the rest. And that's pretty much about it. And then you just dry your windshield. Recording? Yeah. All right, so you just lift off one side, and then ideally you want one smooth motion. Just squeeze it out. Okay. You want to stay away from just like it'll cause creases. Just one motion, lay it down. The water will come out. All right, there you have it. Wipe it down. It's good to go. It's pretty damn straight.
I think we good.
Good job, boys. Good shit.